Blasters, say goodbye to scaffolding. The VertiDrive blasting robot is a next-level solution for any large-scale surface preparation, offering a blasting rate of up to 600 square feet per hour. That's 5 times faster than a person with a manual nozzle. Equipped with powerful magnets, the VertiDrive attaches firmly to vertical and overhead surfaces, enabling efficient work on walls, tanks, and other steel surfaces. It's versatile too, handling abrasive blasting, ultra-high pressure cleaning, and high-pressure washing with ease. This efficiency in speed and application makes the VertiDrive an important tool for companies looking to boost productivity, reduce labor costs, and enhance safety by keeping operators at a distance from hazardous tasks. When you want a job done faster, safer, and cleaner, you want VertiDrive.